Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Visual Studio 2022 for macOS Monterey. Open Safari browser. Type google.com. Press enter. Type in Google search bar. Download Visual Studio 2022 for Mac. Click on first link, Visual Studio 2022 for Mac Preview Microsoft. Click on Download Preview. Click Allow. It will take some time as per your internet speed. Our Visual Studio is downloaded. Let's close Safari browser. Click on Finder. Click Download. This is our Visual Studio 2022 software. Right-click on Software. Open with Disk Image Mounter. Double-click on Install Visual Studio for Mac Preview. Click on Open. Let's close Download Console. Click on Continue. What would you like to install? In this testing demo I am going to download .NET and macOS Cocoa. Xamarin SDKs to create native macOS apps with AppKit. Click Install. Type password of ROHIT user. Click OK. Type password of ROHIT user. Click OK. Some feature requires Xcode and command line tools for Xcode. Install the command line tools for Xcode to enable version feature in Visual Studio for Mac. Click on Install Tools. Click Install. Click Agree. This software will take several of hours, so I am going to stop. I will install later. Click Done. Let's close Visual Studio. Connect to your developer services. I will do this later. Select keyboard shortcuts. Do you prefer Visual Studio for Mac? Click on Continue. Click New to create project. Click on Continue. Select Target Framework. I am going to select .NET 6.0. Click Next. Fill project name. This is our project saving location. Click Create. Our project is open. It will showing the git command requires the command line develop tools. Would you like to install the tools now? I am going to install this tools. Click Agree. Software is downloading. It will take time as per your internet speed. After downloading software, it will install automatically. The software was installed. Click Done. Click Restart and install updates. Fill ROHIT user password to install Visual Studio updates. Click OK. Again, fill ROHIT user password. Click OK. Now our Visual Studio is updated. Connect to your developer services. I will do this later. Click on Continue. Click New to create project. Click Next. Fill project name. Click Create. Click Yes. It is speaking this for overwrite because we had created a file named test earlier also. Click Overwrite file. So our Visual Studio install successfully. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to download and install Visual Studio 2022 in macOS Monterey. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.